In this video, we're going to practice calculating the circumference of a circle. So that just means the total length around the outside of a circle shape. So here we have a circle, we've got the radius labeled, and we're told that the radius of this particular circle is 22 centimeters. So using this information, we can calculate the total length around the outside of this shape, which we call the circumference. Now the formula that we use to do this is C equals 2 pi r. So let's have a practice at substituting the values in and calculating the circumference. So circumference equals 2 pi multiplied by 22. So we can work out some of this. So the 2 and the 22 part can multiply to give 44 pi. And if you wanted to leave it in exact form, that could be your answer, but let's go and have a look at what this would be as a decimal. And using my calculator, I get 138.2300. Now I'm rounding this off to 2 decimal places, which is these two. The number that comes next is a 0, which is less than 5, so I can just get rid of those ones, and the 3 stays the same. So my circumference is 138.23 centimeters. Let's have a try of another example. Now this time we need to find the circumference when the radius is 4.8 meters. So let's use the same formula. Circumference equals 2 pi r, and let's substitute those values in. So circumference equals 2 times pi times 4.8 . Now if we multiply these two, because we can do that in our head, 2 times 4.8 is going to be 9.6. And then the next step would be get your calculator out and find 9.6 multiplied by pi, which gives us 30.15929, a whole bunch of other digits. I want my answer to 2 decimal places, so that's these two here. The next number is greater than 5, so that means that 5 needs to turn into a 6. We're going to round up. So let's get rid of these ones, because there was a 9 after it, that's going to be a 6. So it's 30.16. So the circumference is 30.16 meters, because the original information provided the unit of measurement meters.